Tell me about your day at school. What all did you do?
Well,
Did anybody make you mad? Who?
Emily.
Why?
She was so mean.
What? What'd she do?
Well, she stepped on our best friend's hair.
No.
Yeah. And even Emily and Brooklyn made me mad.
Why?
Because they were making fun of me.
Well, what did they say?
They said, Lena, Lena. They were just making fun of me.
And then what'd you do?
Just told the teacher.
Oh. And what else happened?
When I made a cake. Well, I was making a cake, and Aiden stole my flowers.
No. And then what'd you do?
Well, I told the teacher.
And then what?
Did you hit him? Did you chase after him? Did you get your flowers back?
And what happens if people make you mad?
I tell the teacher.
Good job. You don't hit, do you?
Nope.
Why do you not hit at school?
Because it's a church. Why would you hit at school? When it's a church. Ow.
Okay, say bye.